Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report on Thursday the 13th of August with me, Rich Pro, Market Analyst at Handset Markets. Moving on to dollar yen, and we had this big reversal pattern on dollar yen yesterday, big bearish engulfing pattern on the candles, or a bearish key one day reversal on the bars. Now, does it change much? I think it does marginally, but what you'd want to see is a subsequent selling day today, and we haven't seen that. You've seen a bit of a bounce. You're about 30 ticks up on the day, which doesn't necessarily negate the pattern, but certainly doesn't infuse the selling pressure, which looked to be coming through yesterday. I was sort of looking at the fact that this could turn into a very small top pattern. If you had a close below the 24.08 mark, you didn't see that. 24.20 was the close yesterday, so that sort of still becomes sort of a band of support. 24.10 towards 24.20 is your band of support now that you find today, obviously being the opening price. But momentum indicators are okay. They have turned over, but they haven't certainly confirmed the selling pressure, and that bearish key one day reversal is not a lone wolf in terms of giving you the selling signal, but it needs to be backed up a little bit more, and it hasn't yet done that, because you're still sort of arguably holding above, well, you are holding above this fib level of 23.6%, which is sort of had been the basis of resistance and then sort of becoming the basis of support. So it is still there, and the fact is you're still trading above it. So marginal selling pressure. I mean, you look at this breakdown from the uptrend channel, which interestingly enough is now up at the old sort of downtrend, what we're saying, up at the limit of the old uptrend. So that theoretically should now become the basis of resistance. The underside of that old uptrend should become the basis of resistance. So something that could be seen today around that 24.60 mark, which was the old breakout level, which was a minorly supportive, and it could again become resistance. So you've got a bit of a confluence of levels there. Also, interestingly enough, we're going to watch these momentum indicators on the hourly chart as well. Having previously pushed towards 70, could well be, if it starts failing around the 60 point, also that would be around which where the MACD lines are sort of back towards neutral on the hourly as well. So we could see that this is just an unwinding bounce that ultimately gets sold back into again, because as I said, you've got this breakdown of this uptrend channel. I mean, arguably you have got this double top pattern in place, but I would have preferred to have seen a closing level below the old support at 24.08, which wasn't seen. 24.20, as I said earlier, was that closing level yesterday, so not quite confirmed, but just a few questioning signals here on dollar yen. Nothing too confirmed yet, but certainly a few questions being asked of the bulls and how sustainable that bull run is. So interesting moves again on some of these forex majors. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen, and I'll speak to you later.